Ever feel like your finances are this big, tangled mess you just can't untangle? Bills pile up, subscriptions sneakily drain your accounts, and you swear there's gotta be a better way. Well, there is. Financial management tools like Rocket Money are here to be your financial superhero, taking control of your bills and subscriptions so you can breathe a sigh of relief. But what if your bank account or hidden subscription isn't automatically detected by Rocket Money? Can you, the financial hero in training, manually add them? Let's find out. The all-seeing eye of Rocket Money, mostly. Alright, so Rocket Money is pretty darn good at sniffing out your financial accounts. It connects to thousands of banks and institutions, automatically pulling in your bills, subscriptions, and account information. This gives you a clear picture of where your money's going, helping you identify areas to save and potentially cut back on unnecessary spending. It's like having a financial X-ray, revealing the hidden monsters lurking in your budget. But here's the thing, the financial world is vast, and even with its impressive reach, Rocket Money might not catch everything right away. Maybe you have a smaller local bank or a quirky investment account that flies under the radar. Perhaps you signed up for a subscription with a funky payment processor that Rocket Money hasn't encountered yet. Fear not, financial warriors. While Rocket Money can't see everything, it does offer you the power to add accounts manually. Manual mode, taking control. Adding accounts manually in Rocket Money is a straightforward process. Here's a quick breakdown. Open the Rocket Money app, fire up the app on your phone or tablet. Navigate to Accounts. This might be under a tab labeled Accounts or Balances depending on the app version. Look for the Add Account button. This is usually a plus sign icon, plus, or a button that says Add Account. Choose account type. Rocket Money allows you to add different types of accounts, such as checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and even investments. Select the one that best fits your needs. Enter account details. Here's where you'll need to provide some information about the account you're adding. This might include your bank login credentials. Don't worry, Rocket Money uses secure encryption, account numbers, or routing numbers. A few things to keep in mind. While adding accounts manually is a breeze, there are a couple of things to remember. Security first. Never share your login credentials with anyone other than your bank or a trusted financial institution like Rocket Money. Look for two-factor authentication when adding accounts to ensure an extra layer of security. Patience is a virtue. Sometimes, manually added accounts might take a little longer to sync completely. Give it a day or two for Rocket Money to gather all the information. Beyond the basics, the power of manual additions. Adding accounts manually isn't just about plugging in the missing pieces. It allows you to take a more active role in managing your finances. Here are some cool things you can do. Track hidden subscriptions. Do you suspect a sneaky subscription is draining your funds? Manually add it to Rocket Money and keep an eye on those recurring charges. Monitor investments. While Rocket Money might not automatically connect to all investment platforms, adding them manually allows you to see your overall financial health in one place. Budgeting bliss. By including all your accounts, you get a more accurate picture of your income and expenses. This empowers you to create a realistic budget and track your progress towards financial goals. The takeaway, manual doesn't mean missing out. So, there you have it. While Rocket Money automates a lot of the heavy lifting, you can still take control and manually add any accounts that might be slipping through the cracks. Remember, the more information you have, the better you can manage your finances and become the financial superhero you were always meant to be. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep crushing those financial goals.